Tesla Cybertruck teardown of battery pack revealed intriguing details. Most importantly, the pack appears to be half empty, which means Tesla deliberately delivered the Cybertruck with a lower range than advertised. One of the most obvious things we see is a lot of empty space in the battery pack, possibly for a second layer of cells. It indicates that the battery pack capacity could be much higher, which is why Tesla promised over 500 miles of range for the Cyber Beast. The cells appear to be organized in modules separated by beams, which means this is not a cell-to-structure design. The fact that Tesla launched the Cybertruck with a smaller battery capacity could have two explanations. One of the reasons was to keep costs down. The second reason could be to build as many Cybertrucks as possible, considering the limited cell production. The extra headroom inside the battery pack could be for increased rigidity.